right now I need to package the package to send it to my client, and after that I will tell you a little bit more about the painting that I'm working on. It's the oil painting I'm working on for a month now, and I think that it will be finished soon, but before I will be able to post the video of the painting, I can tell you more about it, where I get the idea and what is the meaning behind it, or what will be the meaning behind it. So enjoy watching this video. Welcome to my life, episode 1 I can say, because the first one was just the intro. So yes, let's see what this day will bring. Here we have some pillow covers for my clients. I need to package these two of this. And here are the other prints of my paintings. So I didn't tell you much about these pillows. It's coming in like this, so the pillow looks like that. And I'm making it like all my paintings can come on the pillows. So this one is, almost all of them are 100% cotton, and these two are from silk. So it's more like, I like them because they're more shiny and the colors look better there, but cotton is more natural material, so I like it as well, but colors look much better on silk. So if any of you will be anytime interested purchasing one, the price is 35 euros and it comes with the inside pillow. So this is it, you will get this whole thing to your home in the package with the message from me. A few of those pillow covers are still available, but even if they are not, you can tell me which painting you would love to have on the pillow at your home for decoration and for reminding yourself of important things. You can just let me know and I will make it for you. So the reason I made these pillows, it was just an idea how to make it possible to support myself from doing art. And the first idea was phone cases. Lots of people using phone cases, and if I can put my painting onto it for the people who feel the message behind my work, it's great to remind ourselves all the time, like we are in the office or we are doing different stuff, and when we see the painting it reminds us, oh, I need to take time for myself. So I started doing firstly phone cases with prints of my paintings, and later I got another idea of those pillows, because it's not just painting which will hang on the wall, it will be a great decoration for like on your bed or wherever you can use it. And yes, like I said, for the artist, if you are just selling original paintings, it's, at least at the beginning, it's hard to make as much money that you could live from that. So you still need to go to work and all other things, which means you have less time to work on your paintings, which means you will make less paintings and you will be more distracted from other things. So I said when I started more with painting that I will go all in. I will figure things out, I will, manifest or whatever. When you're listening yourself, when you're following your true passion, the things will going on as they should, like I always say. And I think that the ideas which are coming into our mind, we need to grab them and like make something out of the idea, like not just leave it to go. You need to grab every idea, and if you will grab every idea, you can make anything like everything is possible, everything will go as it should. But I'm saying this because it's happening to me all the time. And like I've met the right people that help me. I met the people who are buying my paintings and prints of it. Like they just came into my life. And a few months later I've got lots of clients, like from, I don't know, they just appear into my life because I believe that it's possible. So I'm telling to you guys that everything is possible. If you go all in with your dreams, you can make it happen really fast. Just listen to your ideas, listen to every single idea and make it happen. And yes, you will make it somehow. So those pillows are basically to support myself. So every purchase goes on the pillows or phone cases. I invest back into my painting. So actually I support myself with those things, or like paintings, pillows, prints of the paintings. Here is one. Mine is the creator, really small version of the original one. But yes, that's how I support myself from doing art. So now I think I can turn on the time lapse. I think it's going great. For 2 pillows and 1 painting, it will be more than enough space to put it inside of it. Okay, I think it looks great. And now, one last thing. Those are the cards of the prints of some of my paintings, not all of them. Maybe you can recognize this one, the Center of Life. So those cards are for my clients. Everybody who's ordered my, even if it's painting, pillow, phone case, whatever it is, I give him one of these cards with I write the message on the back side. Now as we finish the packaging, I will do a quick workout and then we can go to the painting. I love working out and staying in the movement because lots of time I'm sitting while I'm painting or while I'm doing other things, so almost the only thing that really keeps me moving is working out, so that's why it's really important. And right now I'm working to improve my handstands, which means that I'm doing handstands every single day for 100 days, and today is the 13th day, and I can see the progress not just with handstands but also in other areas of my life, because I can see how these little steps which I'm doing every single day improving my handstands. So if we use these little steps in everything, like if you want to improve, like drawing for example, just draw a little picture every day, I mean a little drawing every day, and in 100 days you will become a good drawer. So that's why I'm doing now 100 days of handstands to see where I can come and how much I can progress. So let's go on now. Usually it's happening to me that before I finished the painting I got an idea for the next one, so sometimes I want like I feel like I need to rush with the painting that I will not forget about the idea of my next painting. But then I started like drawing the ideas to remember them, and somehow it helps, but it's still, I feel like when I get the idea I feel really motivated for the painting, and a few weeks later like I don't feel it so much anymore. But still, if I put my focus into the idea, into the painting, I get all the motivation back. So it's kind of game of thoughts, I think, or game of your mind, of your focus on the things that are truly important, I think. So before I finished the painting Perception of Maya, if you saw, it's on my channel, I got idea for this one. It was while I was doing Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga is a little bit different from other yogas, like other variations of yoga. I'm talking from my perspective, and the reason why is that it's not so much about stretching and movement, but it's more about breathing through your spine. And while I was doing that, I think about after 20 minutes of that yoga, I saw a clear picture of this painting that I'm doing right now. It's like our body separated on front and back side, and in the middle side is the light being, which is connected with, I think, this source of energy which is going through our spine, like to the ground and to the sky. And that's what I'm painting now. So it will show how the energy is going through us, and I think it's even scientists can say now that it's real. I was watching a lot of seminars on YouTube about Joe Dispenza, who's talking just about that, how energy is going through us, through our spine, and how we can heal our body with that knowledge. If we connect our body to that energy source, the cells in our body can heal much faster, which means that we can become our own healers, which is amazing. I think we can heal our body by our thoughts, by connecting to this source of energy. And I think that's what we can do now with the knowledge. So maybe it will be a little bit easier to understand it when this painting will be finished, because it will show us how exactly it works. So I got this picture in a form of vision. You know, I got many my paintings in that form. I got many of the paintings in that way, like I saw a vision and then I drew it, and later I paint it. And usually when I'm painting it, it becomes much different than a drawing, because while I'm painting it, it's sometimes it happened like my hand is just going in the way it should go. Like I'm doing everything I can, like somehow I know how to paint, but still while I'm painting I got totally relaxed and everything is just happening. Like I'm not just the observer anymore. I'm still painting, but I feel like I'm everything at the same time, which I hope you can understand me. I mean, if there's any painter who watching this video probably understands me, but yes, it's really hard to explain what it feels. I feel totally relaxed. I feel like love and energy and everything, and that's what it is, and that's why I love to paint so much. I think I've never been doing something that felt so good than this, like that I would feel so much freedom in just doing something. And I was doing lots of different sports, extreme sports, which is kind of giving you freedom because you forget about everything, but you're still risking a lot. And here I feel even more freedom. But I'm just sitting here and holding a brush and painting the lines, which is truly interesting. But yes, this is what it is. So it's about this painting right now. I think that it will be finished soon, and as soon as it will be finished I will post it on my YouTube channel so you can check the video, and I will talk more about it later when it will be finished. So I don't want to show you much right now about the painting, because let it be a surprise for you, to make you more excited to see it when it will be finished. You saw it a little bit in this video and in previous video in intro about those videos about Welcome to My Life, and more I will show you later, so don't be sad about it because it will be finished soon. So maybe I can finish this video for now to focus on the painting, to make it to finish it sooner, and then we will talk about it. So thank you so much for watching it. Please like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So see you in the next one. Peace.